Sit down.
Sometimes you don't listen to
Enough.
Hands off me.
That's one of the better Jesus sports-themed paintings I've seen. It's very good. Nice.
Are you a knock?
I'm sorry?
Are you a knock?
A knock. Sorry, I don't know what that is.
A knock.
A knock. Am I speaking Japanese?
Yeah, listen to him.
I'm gonna sound it out for you. Are you, or are you not a knock? Like Johnny Depp in 21 Jump Street.
Ah, I see. Okay, a narc.
A knock, yes.
Yes, no.
What was I saying?
I was missing the R when you were saying, I heard knock.
What are you? What are you doing here? What are you doing?
I'm a federal agent. I'm a special agent.
Are you a boy or a girl?
It's a fair question.
I'm female.
No kidding.
All woman.
From the get-go? No operation?
From birth, yes.
How you get that close a shave on your face?
I need to go, but I'll be back to,
Nice knowing you.
yes, thank you.